Hey y'all, welcome back to Caitlin's Corner. Ooh. Okay, hey y'all, welcome back to Caitlin's Corner, and today I'm going to be showing you how to do your brows with eyeshadow. Because we all know it comes sometimes to those days where, you just run out of your dip brow or your eyebrow pencil is down to its last little bit. So today I'm going to be showing you how to do your eyebrows with eyeshadow. Okay, anyway, so the utensils you're going to need is basically the same. Like if you have a dip brow or okay, anyway. So this is an angled brush. It's small, a tiny brush to use to like kind of put it on there. And a flat brush you use to automatically use with your concealer to carve out your brows, and a brush or comb thing to kind of brush them and comb them. So I kind of really don't have brows, so you know it's not a lot for me to brush. I usually, with my brows, I usually go in and I'll trim the ends because they go out like wild. But since I did that yet, we're just gonna work with it. So the shade I'm going to use is out of my very abused palette, the matte book palette. It's so beat up, but that's how you know it's a good palette. Okay, I use it for everything. I'm going to go in with this dark deep brown shade right here, and that's the main brow shade. Now before I continue, I know it may like, you'll see, it looks bad before it gets good, okay? So keep watching. I don't put the eyeshadow on with precision because I go in with precision afterwards and I conceal and I sculpt them out to what I want them to be. So depending on if I feel like speeding it up, I'll do that and just speed up, and then you guys can watch instead of me blabbing on and on and on. So you take the eyeshadow and you have it on the brush, and I pre-oiled my skin because I have dry skin. The Don't oil your skin too much, it's going to come off sheer. That's another thing before I start. So yeah. So yeah. I know it looks sheer now, that's why I go in with the even darker eyeshadow. So I'm going to speed and keep going. Alright, now that that's there, now it's time for my concealer. So I use two different types of concealer. So I go in with concealer and I carve them out first, and then I go in with a darker shade to make it deeper. because you see the difference between the hairs and everything. So underneath the brow, I go in with shade number 14, and this is from Juvia's. It's really good. And I just, dab some with my flat brush. Got glitter on there. Okay. Okay, so you don't have to rush through it either. You can take your time. And you can go back in with the eyeshadow and fix as you need. Boom. Another. So see right there, I messed up. So I'm going to go back in with the eyeshadow and just clean that. Boom. All right. Now, I'm going to go in with my darkened concealer across the top, and this is the shade 12 from the Juvia's Collection Concealers. So, fool me. Now it's time to kind of shape the front. I don't like the front of my eyebrows being like super duper just block shaped. So I like to bring my concealer down in the front and like kind of like blur it. right now, I wouldn't leave it like this. I usually proceed to do my entire face, but these are how this is how I do my brows. Yeah, I wouldn't leave it like this. I proceed to do my entire face. Who would walk out with this? But these are the finished product of my eyebrows, done with eyeshadow. If you like this look, well, the brows, you like the video, like, comment, and subscribe so you can see more of me, because after this I'm going to proceed to make a video on a look with these brows. So it's a part 2, which is the actual main look I'm going to do. But enough with my ranting. Have a nice day, night, afternoon, or whenever you watch this. Remember, like, comment, and subscribe. And bye.